All right.
Hello.
Today we have the kids version.
With Snack Crate.
What country? New Zealand.
New Zealand. Did you say? Oh, you said Australia. You were like,
you got the thing.
Okay.
Okay, number 1. Munchos spicy tomato. Can't stop the munchies.
They're spicy.
Right, I gotta read it. Munchos isn't just any old chip. This crunchy corn snack provides a fiery flavor explosion with the perfect blend of zesty tomato. It's pretty good.
Hurt my eyes.
Mm-hmm. Not that bad. I think you just took too much of an inhale.
Oh, it fucking blasted me right in
It
the face.
kind of smells bad.
Alright, take one. Hold it up to the camera.
You need to face the camera too.
I got a small piece.
Alright, dink it. Sink it.
I like it.
It's really dry. What does it taste like, Ella? Oh, this is Ella. Ella, look at the camera. This is Ella. And this is Aoife.
It kind of tastes like cheese with tomatoes. Tastes like ketchup chip with less ketchup.
I agree.
It tastes really bland.
I give that 4.
2.
2.
I'll give it a 3. 3.
Alright, now we got the Kiwi Friend Chip. Ripples. Chicken flavor.
Made
Weird.
with New Zealand. Is that Zealand? Oh,
Nailed it. This is a 420 special again.
Jesus. I was like, what is New Zealand? Growed tomatoes. This ultra crunchy snack features the perfect blend of fresh herbs and savory chicken seasoning. Holy fuck, I can't even read.
Beef.
Sorry.
Jelly bean.
Wait.
Oh, I'm doubling down.
Oh shit. Sink it.
Chicken flavor.
Dink it. Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like the chicken Mr. Noodles.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
But
That's
was that?
Mr. Noodle chicken.
That's amazing. I love it. What do you think, Ella?
Ooh, look at this one.
I like it, but not the aftertaste.
You gonna eat that?
You don't like the after? I haven't given it a second to even stop. I'm just shoving them. Oh, I forgot to give you some. I'm gonna just steal them, like pretend to steal it. And give it back to you.
Okay, give that Nate.
I give it a 7.
Pascal.
6.
10.
10. Pascal pineapple lumps. You're gonna like these.
Seduce your taste buds with this chewy New Zealand favorite. Fuck. Okay, featuring a soft pineapple flavored center coated in delicious milk chocolate. Ew! Milk chocolate and pineapple.
Oh, they're big.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck,
yeah.
this is gonna be gross. Ew.
Disgusting. That's so gross.
You love pineapples.
That doesn't taste like pineapple.
It tastes good.
Hey, gosh, stuck in my teeth.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
Aoife, can you show the camera?
She did.
Oh. Sorry. I only remembered.
That's
stuck in my teeth.
Damn pineapple marshmallow.
I like it.
You can eat those later. Oh.
It's
2.
awful.
1.
0.
10.
Hmm.
It's really chewy.
I'm
like
still
it.
chewing it.
So chewy.
Same. I started by half.
Here, you can have the rest of mine.
All right.
We gotta make room for more stuff. What's on your
Whittaker's
shirt?
original.
Wait. What is
Chocolate.
Whittaker's peanut slab.
Yum.
I like the wrapping.
Fancy.
That looks expensive.
A Kiwi favorite since 1896. This rich milk chocolate bar is generously filled with roasted peanuts, making it the perfect late night indulgence. My mouth is like
It's big.
it's so
Ooh,
watery.
wow.
Ooh, you can see the nuts.
I guess we're just gonna take bites.
What?
Mmm.
Look at the inside.
Loaded.
And go. That's really good. Mm.
Legit a slab.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Just chocolate and peanuts. 2 recipes.
Classic.
Too much peanuts. I feel peanut butter and Nutella, except no peanut butter. And all
Give me my Pepsi, please. Not a sponsor.
Did everyone want some of this? Another bite. Does anybody else want another bite? No, last bite. Oh.
Oh. That pineapple thing is
I
so
want
gross.
the last
You want the last bite? Whoop. Alright.
It was so gross you didn't eat it. Nice.
I gotta do my cleansing.
I was still chewing it when you took the bite.
Well, I gotta know what this is.
Whoa. I want to eat that next.
Fabulicious
Ooh.
sherbet or sorbet. Look, it's spelled like sherbet. It is sherbet
It is.
instead of sorbet.
Mhm.
Fizz. Fabulousus. Nope, nailed that one. Fabulish. No, fuck it. You guys can read it. I nailed it the first time.
I think that's. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say it.
Fabulicious?
That's one of. Yeah. Nailed it! Spelling bee.
Fabulousus. I can't even say it.
Alright. With this zippy citrus flavor, these wonderfully tasty and chewy candy tubes.
I thought it was a chocolate. Same.
Tubes are the ideal way to satisfy your craving for both licorice and sherbet.
Oh my god.
Is it hard?
No.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
The texture alone. The texture when you bite it.
Is it fizzy?
Kind of. Like the aftertaste kind of is.
That's so good.
That's so good.
I
The
need
texture.
more.
Just, I love how it's like a trampoline. So bouncy.
Mm.
So bouncy.
It's like a Twizzler wrapped around awesomeness.
That's really good.
Mmm.
Oh, it's a little bit sour when you go.
Mm-hmm.
I really like it.
Ooh, I'm gonna 9.
Holy fuck, that was
I
sour.
give it a 10.
Did we rate that one?
No.
Oh no, we didn't.
Okay, going back to that one. That's a solid 8.
7.
9. I'd say 8 as well.
Okay, and then the Fergalicious.
10.
10.
Okay.
Actually 11 out of 10.
Tom and Luke.
Tom
Nourishment
Luke's
for
my
healthy lifestyles.
favorite. My favorite. Tom and Luke.
Fruit.
What was that accent?
Tom and Luke?
Yeah, like it sounded southern.
Tom
was.
and Luke.
And then the rest of it wasn't southern. When you said
No, it
it.
wasn't. I went nourishment for healthy. Yeah, it happens.
Do it again though. It was good. I liked it.
But with Tom and Luke, nourishment for healthy lifestyles. Fruit and nut snack balls.
Oh, this one. These little round salted caramel delights are made with cashews and shredded coconut, so you don't
Ew.
feel guilty about eating a whole bag.
I don't feel guilty about eating coconut. Gross.
I like coconut. I don't mind coconut.
Fuck boys, make ugh.
It's
The
weird.
air got into my mouth and it didn't taste good.
Got it in my mouth.
Ooh.
Just one bite it.
Tastes like a dry
It's gonna
coconut.
be terrible.
Weird.
It's freaking terrible.
Oh.
I hate it.
If we had to guess what flavor that was.
Wait. Can I say something? The texture is like dried up Play-Doh.
That made it worse.
It did.
Oh my god, I can't even eat it now.
Oh!
It kind of tastes
Oh
like
my
dried up
God.
Play-Doh. It
It's
tastes
like I'm
Play-Doh.
eating Play-Doh when I'm a kid, but with my fucking mouth.
It
Zero.
is like Play-Doh. It's like
Zero.
It's like when you open up a blue Play-Doh and it's all dry.
0.
That's so fucking bad.
I set my other half to the side.
Moro?
Can I? Or should I spit it out?
Eat
Maddie,
it. Get it
what's
down.
your rate?
You fucking wrecked
What?
it for me.
What's your rate?
0.
0.
I can spit it out.
I'll give. I thought it was gonna
Should I
be
get
good.
it? Who didn't eat it?
I ate half
Oh.
of it.
I was like, you didn't try it?
That's so gross. Well, we've had 2 gross ones.
You took an add some of the water.
Oh, goddamn. Alright, we got Moro up next. Cadbury Moro. I think it's a Mars bar.
Fuck, that sucked.
I'm pretty sure that's a Mars bar.
Okay, what is it?
Copyright of Mars bar.
Cadbury Moro.
Moro. Need a boost? This snack will deliver. Enjoy a Cadbury chocolate-covered caramel and nougat-filled treat that oozes deliciousness with every bite.
That's a freaking Mars bar.
Wait, can I close my palate?
Yeah. That's a Mars bar. I'm betting that's a Mars bar.
Pause. Pause. I gotta drink my water.
Drink of water. That was 3 waters.
I'm just saying, like, for editing purposes, like, I don't wanna...
You figure it out. I don't want to try and poke that button.
Yeah. Oh my god. Anyway, you can continue.
Okay. It's a Mars bar. Nice, Ellie.
Weird bite.
That's a Mars bar. Mars bar.
Real different flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's more nougat in it.
9. I would say it's
Ew.
9.
The flavor at the end?
Tastes like molasses.
It's fucking gross.
I'd say it's 9.
9? You like it that much? Sorry. You like it that much? Wow. That's crazy.
Okay, I'll give that a
It's
6.
nasty.
I like it.
Even?
5.
1.
Terrible. Cadbury original chocolate fish. Oh
Ew.
god, it's gonna be like that fucking pineapple.
Often awarded to children for their job well done. This fish-shaped marshmallow. Bevan hates marshmallow in general, but like chocolate-covered marshmallows
Are the worst.
are the worst,
They're fucking terrible.
according to Beverly. Okay, the shaped marshmallow is enrobed with a layer of, just milk chocolate.
Look at those fish bones.
Flip it, flip it, flip it. Oh, I hate it.
I hate it too.
It looks like it's the bones of the fish.
It looks like they sip onto the fish.
I'm gonna hate it.
Bit really easily though. Excuse me.
It's like minty.
No, it's
It's
not.
really soft though. I could lay on it like a mattress. Just not fall in it.
A 4.5.
Ooh, ew.
Yes!
The aftertaste is terrible. I like it.
Let's eat the rest.
It turned into like powder.
That gets a 1.
0.
That's gross.
Disgusting. 0.
Nasty.
Nice.
Okay. Nestle Pixie Original Caramel. The longer lasting chew.
Okay. If you're looking, oh, it's gonna be so chewy.
Know your portions.
It's gonna be like, it's gonna be like a Charleston chew and that fucking pineapple thing we just ate. You know what I mean? No, I didn't finish reading it because I was too upset about how
It better be good then.
Then this hard caramel covered and rich dark chocolate is the Kiwi classic for you. Do you know why they keep saying Kiwi? It's because that's what they call people from New Zealand. That was a fun fact for you guys.
And they're
I don't know if you knew that.
The birds are kiwi too.
Kiwi birds. Kiwi birds are cute.
That's obviously the reason.
I'm hoping it's like a Werther's. Like flavor.
Sorry, my
wise.
jaw keeps cracking.
It's soft but hard to bite off, kind of.
The pineapple was sure.
Pineapple's so gross.
It's kind of like this one,
I hate chewy candy.
besides gummies.
No, I hate chewy candy. Like, I'll eat gummies, but chewy chocolate is the
Yeah.
worst.
Oh, I like gummy bears. Those are good.
Oh, well, yeah, but I mean, like, chewy is in, like long lasting like this.
Like a Tootsie
The
Roll.
taste is solid. Though.
Yes,
No, the taste is really good.
I guess.
I wonder what the next one shall be.
I just feel like chewing for that long.
Oh, the aftertaste again is just fucking dang.
I feel
Why
like,
did I eat it more?
I don't know, buddy.
I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna waste. All right, I give that a 2.
3.
3.
Okay, solid. The last one, we have Fruit Burst Lemon Lime and Strawberry.
Yes.
Bite down this chewy lolly to experience a burst of fruity flavors like banana, strawberry, wild berry, orange, and lemon lime. Oh man.
I'll go with green.
That looks good. Oh,
They're very
It's-
cute. Oh,
Whoa.
it's like gum.
sticky.
Ooh, it's really sticky. Don't
That's
touch it.
really
Mine wasn't
soft.
that sticky.
Don't touch
Look at
it.
this thing.
It tastes good. Mmm.
Oh, it smells.
That's really dangerous.
That's really good.
Oh my god.
I like it.
I can't even chew mine.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's dangerous.
I'm sucking on mine.
It's too hard to chew for your teeth.
I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I
Maybe.
think it's supposed to be soft.
Mm-mm.
No way it's supposed to be hard. That's
No,
like a
'cause it,
fucking.
I said long lasting.
And it said lollies.
Mm.
Bite down on this chewy lolly. You ain't biting down on this fucking
What
thing.
about my fat?
I bet it.
Really? You like got all the way through it? You split it into two?
That's like me gnawing on it.
Mm-hmm. You split it in half? You're crazy.
But it tastes good.
Does it ever?
Like the flavor's wicked. Man, New Zealand likes chewy shit.
Dude, my jaw keeps cracking so much.
Because this is a workout.
Fuck this candy.
I have a big chunk here and then a smaller. I just gave up and started sucking on it.
I got it going.
Let me see it.
It's really good.
Look at mine.
Yeah, man, like gum
This one's
now.
mine.
I really like it, actually.
Mmm.
Juicy as hell.
I like how you have to work for it. It's like you're going through the life process of it.
When mom gets home from work, she can try that one.
Yep. Oh, my jaw hurts. Like, if you want a really, really good jawline, it's a freaking workout. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's so good for your teeth.
Is it?
I can tell.
I bit my cheek.
Yeah.
Oh no.
This thing has the same texture as cheek.
Maybe my cheeks raw, actually.
My jaw is so sore.
Feels like I'm eating all the Skittles in a bag
At once.
I do that.
Mine tastes like that
You eat
too.
a lot of Skittles.
Skittles.
Yeah.
It's because
I got her
Skittles is
down.
my favorite candy.
Nice. That was a workout for me, so you guys are gonna be on.
Where you at, Eves?
I
I'm still dying.
was really disappointed at the beginning. I'll give it an 8.
Oh, that's not very much. I will also give it an 8. You guys have to wait.
8.5.
You have to wait until you're done.
No one's ever done a half point. That's groundbreaking.
Or got over 10. She went over 10 and used that number. You gotta use fractions next.
I don't know how fractions work. 8.33.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
So you're rating it an 8.5? What do you got?
Also an 8.
Okay.
8.
So there's a couple in there that were nasty. The pineapples, snack balls. Oh, I'm gonna eat that fabulous thing. Okay, we'll say goodbye.
Oh, it's not even done yet? Okay.
Not everybody talk at once. Thanks, New Zealand. That was fun.
Thank you for tuning in.
Bye.
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 Hit the button, Jelly Bean.
This one?